Hey guys, so we are trying our first brew today for our home brew kit, and I'm going to put a little montage together of the process as we go, and I will let you guys know how it turns out in part 2 of our brewing video. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright guys, so my partner and I tried brewing our first beer today, and we're very excited. We're calling it our quarantine Kolsch. At least that's what I'm calling it until we come up with a better name. I wanted to do sort of like a vlog through the brewing process, and then as we were going through it and as I was trying to film it, I realized you need more than 2 people to do that, because a lot of the stuff, one person's holding the receptacle and the other person's pouring or stirring or measuring. So I've clipped this together as best as I could, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to get into home brewing, I do believe all the homebrew shops in our area are currently closed, and we were able to get in just under the wire, but I will list the recipe that we used in the description section down below if you want to try this at home. But only try it at home if you're of legal age. That's very important. All right, I'll let you guys know how it turns out in a couple of weeks.